Ramogi TV, Kisumu County.
Bad migawo mochung' ne rito aluora pacho ka Nema oloro kar ngona mong'ere kaka Oyster Bay maidore kar dak ma Kilimani County ma Nairobi. Apisas mag Nema e County ma Nairobi kod apisas mag arita noriwore apedha kaluwore kod ywak jodak ewi koko mosebedo kawuok e kuonde ngona. Wachore ni Oyster Bay nokoso luwo chik mar loro manomigi gi Nema. Otieno manyoro apisas mawuok e bad migawo mochung' ne rito aluora e pacho ka Nema, apisas mochung' ne aluora e County ma Nairobi kod apisas mag arita nochopo e kar ngona ma Oyster Bay, boma ma Nairobi mar loro kar budhono. Ma biro tok oganda modak Valley Arcade aluora mar kar ngona no ywak ni koko mathoth mawuok e kar ngona no mayo gi kwe. Joma nodonjo kar ngona no mar kweyo wigi motelo ne nyasi mar Pasaka nochuno mondo wuogi kata bedo ni ok giwuok kuom hechgi.
We have received numerous complaints. The county and ourselves have enforced a couple of times. Many times we've issued orders, they've been arrested. And about 10 days ago, we came and gave them an order asking them to close and do what they're supposed to do in accordance with the noise and excessive vibrations regulations. That is, they need to soundproof, or whatever they do within this facility should not affect the neighboring residents.
They have been issued with improvement notices for them to be able to soundproof the club so that they do not disturb the neighbors. They have gotten notices from NEMA, they have gotten notices from the county. We have taken them to court previously, but still you can see nothing has happened so far.
All the bodies have kids, the people who came here, they are going to enjoy their kids. Why are we crying?
Karakamano loro mar kar ngona no ne okodhi maber kod weg club no kod joma tiyo kanyo mawacho ni mayo gi thuolo mar yuto margi mapile ka pile.
Tuko na watoto. Majirani hatupigi kelele, mnapiga mnapata hakuna noise. Saa hii tunaenda mtatulipia rent. Tuko na watoto wanataka saa hii hata nena, mama leo umeniletea nini? Hakuna kitu ya kumletea. We have masters, we have degrees, but we can't be able to get jobs. Tuko na watu kama Nairobi government give us jobs. People here are learned. We don't have jobs. We have kids depending on us. Where are we going to feed them from? These people must be reasonable.
Pinyo wacho to nyono kar tiende ni kar ngona no biro dong kolor nyaka chieng' wuon go ket yore mag neno ni jomodak e aluora mare odagi kwe.
If you look, you will find that just right next here is a flat of apartments, and these have been the main source of our complaints, that these people don't sleep because of operations at this facility. Again, if you look, this is an open club. There is no measure that has been done to mitigate against noise, so it is because of that that we had come and asked them to close for a little while, soundproof, then come back to us, and we will lift their orders and allow them to operate.
We are actually leaving our enforcement officers to man this place until such a time that compliance has been achieved. So there will be officers manning this place during the day and during the night.
We will implement this in all other facilities that are not compliant with the law.
Dwe mar 11 mokalo, gavana ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja nomayo kuonde ngona mantiere kuonde ma ji odake lesen mag tich. E apedha no kuonde ngona maromo 40 e kar dak ma Kilimani, Lavington, Donholm, Buruburu, Roysambu kachiel kod Kasarani nolor.